Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Onyx Food Hill. I'm really glad to have you today in a new video. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you a simple DIY which you can simply try at home or by yourself. Today I'll be showing you how to make this precious cooking oil, which is palm oil. Palm oil is a very common oil. It is widely used for cooking, sauces, most especially soups, and I use it a lot in my daily cooking, so I thought I should show you how you can make yours at home. So in this video you're going to see the two methods in which you can make your own palm oil at home. So here I have these fresh palm fruits, even though I left them in the freezer for some days, so I just brought it out now. I'm going to start by washing the palm fruits. I'm just going to bring the palm fruits into a bowl of water. We are going to make sure we wash this thoroughly to get rid of sand or palm fruit particles that the fruit must have come with from the farm. When you are washing this, be sure to remove the cap from the palm fruit. Okay, so I'm washing this for the third time and the palm fruits are properly clean. After washing this, I'm going to bring this into a pot. Make sure you're using a large pot so that each fruit will have the chance to cook evenly. Now I'm adding water to slightly cover it. Make sure you don't add too much water to the fruit to cook. The water should just be slightly above the fruit. It's going to take about 20 to 25 minutes for this to cook, so I'm going to just cover this and allow it to cook on high heat. Okay guys, so I've cooked this for 20 minutes now and the fruit is cooked. This is how to know it's cooked. The pulp will fall off from the nut easily once this is cooked. Okay, so I'm going to strain out the water. Okay, so just before this gets cold, I'm going to bring this into a mortar. If you have a food processor, you can also do this. I think that will also work for this. I'm just going to add this a little at a time to pound. It's best to pound it while it's still hot so that the pulp can come out easily. I'm just exerting a little force so as to pull off the pulp. If you pound it so hard, you're going to be breaking the nut. You're not supposed to break the nut, so you have to go gently with the fruit. Okay, so after pounding this for 5 minutes, you will notice a very smooth pulp here. I'm going to transfer this into a bowl or just something to just set it aside. I'm still going to add the remaining to the mortar to pound. I'll continue like this until I'm done with all the fruits. Once I'm done pounding this, I'm going to bring this into a large bowl. To the bowl, I'm going to add in some warm water to it. I'm just going to mix this. The water is warm enough for my hand to handle it. Just make sure you don't add too much of it. And also make sure you're using clean hands to mix this. You're going to mix this thoroughly so you'll be able to extract enough of the juice. Look at this thick juice. It's quite thick. I used about 2 kg of the palm fruit for this. After mixing this thoroughly enough, I'm just going to squeeze out the nuts with the fiber. We are not done yet. We are still going to come back to this. Once I'm done selecting the nuts and the fiber, I'm going to just make sure I strain this. So I'm placing a colander over a pot, then I'm pouring the palm fruit juice over it to strain. This is quite thick. There's still much juice in the fiber, so I'm going to add a little water to this and mix again the second time. I just want to make sure we don't waste anything. Okay, so after adding in water, I'm still going to mix this thoroughly. Just want to make sure all the juice is out from the fiber. Okay, so I'm straining the second one into the same pot. So the first method is a heating method. I'm going to place the pot containing the palm fruit on heat for 45 minutes. Once this starts to heat up, the palm oil will come up to the top of the content. So from there we are going to go to the next step. Okay, I've been boiling this for the past 30 minutes and I keep stirring as it cooks. Mind you, I'm cooking this on low heat so that the water doesn't evaporate in time. Okay, so I've cooked this for the past 40 minutes. So if you look closely, you will notice some traces of palm oil floating at the top. So at this moment I'm going to put off heat, then I'm going to let this cool. When this has cooled down, you can notice the palm oil floating on top, so we are going to scoop this out. Okay, I'll be using a spoon to scoop the oil gently. There's enough oil here, so you gently scoop it out into a plate. This might take a little longer, but it's worth it. It's better than buying store-bought palm oil which is diluted. Okay, this is enough for now. If you have more time, you can keep scooping this until you're done removing all the oil from the cream. Now here is the palm oil we've extracted. We are not done yet. We are going to boil this until the water evaporates from the oil. To bring the oil into a pot, then I'll place it on heat and allow it to heat up on medium heat until the water that escaped into the oil evaporates. The oil is sizzling right now because of the water. Once the water dries up, the sizzling noise will stop. Now the sizzling sound has stopped because the water has dried. Just like I earlier said, I'm going to turn up the heat and your palm oil is ready. Okay guys, so I had to strain this to get a clear oil. So this is what it looks like after straining this. This method of extracting palm oil is the most simplest method so far. This is usually done at home, especially when you want to prepare boiled yam or roasted yam. So this is how we extract palm oil from the fruits. Immediately I just finish pounding this, I just scoop out this portion so I can show you how to do that. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to carefully select the pulp to reduce the nuts a little bit. I'm going to use my hand to squeeze the oil from the pulp. It's very easy. You can use two hands. I'm just going to show you a little portion of what I have. So if you have a large quantity, you can just squeeze this by hand. This is the most purest form of palm oil. No water added to it, nothing. We just extract this directly without it going through any process. If you want to serve your roasted yam, you can use this to accompany that. After squeezing this out, I just left it for 5 minutes before I came back. It has become solidified, so all I'm just going to do is to melt this. I simply do this by bringing boiled water in a pan. I'm going to be leaving the plate inside of the pan containing the hot water. This is going to melt the palm oil. Then after that, I'm just going to filter it to get a clear oil. Now we have our palm oil ready, but this is another method of extracting palm oil at home. Now that you have learned the two ways of making your own palm oil, which is the natural oil, I hope you will reproduce this at home. If you do, share it with us. Let me know what you think about this homemade oil. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate your presence here. Please do remember to subscribe to Onyx Food Hill. Share this recipe with your friends. Give me a thumbs up and also leave your comments. See you soon. Bye.